अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे CSS 2026 कंप्यूटर साइंस पार्ट वन का ऑब्जेक्टिव पोर्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर वन है, अ कंपनी वांट्स टू अपग्रेड इट्स स्टोरेज मीडिया फॉर द फास्टेस्ट पॉसिबल डाटा एक्सेस, विच ऑप्शन इज बेस्ट? राइट आंसर इज सॉलिड स्टेट ड्राइव SSD. SSD provide faster data access than HDD because they use flash memory without moving part. Question number two है, a programmer is developing software and needs to consider ethical challenges. What is a major concern? Right answer is plagiarism. जो कि होता है copying code without credit violates intellectual property and ethical programming standards. Question number three है, a programmer wants to group different data types. What should he or she use? Right answer is structures. Structures allow combining multiple data types into a single unit for organized storage. Question number four है, a class needs to allow different implementation for a method of a method. What concept should be used? Polymorphism is the right answer. Polymorphism enables objects to implement method differently while sharing a common interface. Question number five है, what is the purpose of using virtual function in inheritance? Right answer है to enable polymorphism. Virtual function allow derived classes to override method and ensure correct function call at runtime. Question number six है, how does the history of computing influence modern computer architecture? Right answer is by influencing both hardware and software. A past development shaped design, principle, instruction set, and software practices in current system. A function needs to modify an input variable. How should the parameter be passed? By reference. Passing by reference allows the function to directly modify the original variable instead of a copy. Question number 8 है, a developer wants to define a class with methods that can be used with different data types. What should be used? Right answer is templates. Templates allow writing generic classes and functions that work with any data type. Which operator is typically overloaded for stream insertion in C++? Left shift operator is conventionally overloaded to output object to stream like codes. Question number 10 है, what does the standard template library STL provide in C++? Predefined containers and algorithm. STLs offer ready-to-use classes like vectors, list, and algorithm to simplify coding. Question number 11 है, you are analyzing an algorithm efficiency. What do you do? What do you consider? Time and space complexity. Efficiency is measured by how much time and memory an algorithm requires relative to input size. Question number 12 है, in hash tables, what is collision resolution technique? Right answer is chaining. Chaining resolve collision by storing multiple elements in linked list at the same hash index. Question number 13 है, in recursion, what is crucial to prevent infinite loops? Right answer is base case. A base case stop the recursion forming continuing indefinitely. Question number 14 है, you are leading an agile team developing a mobile app. What is the primary focus? Right answer is iterative development and customer feedback. Agile emphasizes iterative cycles and adapting to customer feedback to improve the product continuously. A compiler needs to recognize token. Which phase does this? Lexical analysis. Lexical analysis break code into tokens, keyword, identifier, operator for further parsing. Question number 6 है, what is the advantage of using LL1 grammar and syntax analysis? Predictive parsing with less complexity. LL1 grammar allow parsers to predict the next prediction using only one look ahead symbol, simplifying parsing. Question number 17 है, what is the difference between top down and bottom up parsers? Top down starts from the start symbol. Top down parsing construct the parse tree from the start symbol toward the leaves, unlike bottom which start from input symbols. Question number 18 है what do compilers use for recognizing tokens? Regular expressions. Regular expression define patterns to identify token types like identifier, number, or keyword. Question number 19 है a project is behind schedule. What is a likely agile response? Review scope and priorities with the team. Agile emphasizes adjusting the scope and priorities rather than rigidly following the original plan to meet deadline. Question number 20 है a project is using open source component with security vulnerabilities. What is the risk? Security breach or compliance issue. Vulnerable component can be exploited, leading to security risk or legal compliance problem. Okay, Allah Hafiz.